Day 16. Future plans and making suggestions. Lesson. Focus. Welcome to Day 16 of our Learn English in 30 Days series. Today, we'll learn how to talk about future plans using future tenses and how to make suggestions politely. This will help you confidently discuss your intentions and recommend ideas in English. Let's begin. Do you struggle to talk about your plans confidently in English? In today's lesson, I'll make it super easy for you. Let's dive in. Grammar focus, talking about future plans. Future, tenses for plans. Will, for decisions made on the spot or promises. Example, I will help you pack for the trip. Going to, for pre-decided plans or predictions. Example, I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. Present continuous, for fixed arrangements. Example, she's meeting her friends tomorrow at 5 p.m. Making suggestions. Use phrases like, why don't we? How about, let's, you should. Useful phrases. Talking about future plans. I'm planning to. I will probably. I'm going to. I might. I'm thinking about. Making suggestions. Why don't we try? How about going to? Let's do this. You should definitely. Example sentences. I'm going to start a new project next week. Let's go out for dinner tomorrow night. Why don't we plan a trip to the beach this weekend? You should visit that new coffee shop. It's amazing. Practice conversation. Emma. Hey, John, do you have any plans for the weekend? John. Not yet. I'm thinking about staying home and relaxing. What about you? Emma. I'm going to visit the art museum on Saturday. Why don't you come with me? John. That sounds interesting. What time are you going? Emma. I'm planning to go in the afternoon, around 2 p.m. John. Perfect. Let's go together. After that, how about grabbing some coffee? Emma. Great idea. I know a nice cafe nearby. John. Awesome. Oh, by the way, you should try their chocolate cake. It's the best. Emma. I will. Thanks for the suggestion. Activity. Fill in the blanks. I visit my grandmother next month. Why don't we go to the park this evening? She starts her new job tomorrow. They plan to go hiking next weekend. Suggest places to visit. Why don't we go to the zoo? You should visit the local museum. Situation, you and your friend are hungry. Suggest a meal. Let's order pizza. How about cooking something together? Imagine discussing your future plans confidently in English with anyone, anywhere. Today's lesson will make that dream a reality. Tips for success. Use these phrases in your daily conversations. Practice in front of a mirror or with a friend. Don't forget to share your practice sentences in the comments. Don't miss tomorrow's lesson in our Learn English in 30 Days series. Make sure you've subscribed and turned on the notifications.